What's up, guys? It's your boy Phlick once again, and today I'm gonna give you a piece of valuable information. Today we're gonna go over your rights as a father. For all my single parents out there and all them single dads out there that are struggling right now to see their kids or going through the whole child support process, I'm gonna give you my advice on how the child support system works and your rights as a father. If this sounds interesting, well, let's jump into it. First and foremost, what I need you to understand is that we all have a right as a parent to see our kids. Wow, I bet you didn't know that. Guys, if your baby mama is keeping you away from your kid, or even baby mama, if your baby daddy is keeping you away from your kids, you do have a right as a parent to see your kid. However, you do have to do it the legit way, the legal way. Don't go out there harassing your baby mama. Don't go out there trying to cause any trouble, because all this could affect the way that you get to see your kids. And what I want you to understand, guys, is that what people get wrong about child support is that people think that because you're broken up with your significant other, that one or the other parent has more custodial rights over your kid, when in reality, that's not the case. It's 50-50. One of the things that a lot of you single fathers or you divorced fathers get wrong is you think that because you're placed on child support, that the judge is going to take all your money away, all your possessions away, and everything that you hold dear. That is not the case, guys. Did you know, and I want you to know, that the more you see your kid, the less child support you have to pay. Yes, you got that right. The more you spend time with your kid, the less child support you're going to pay. And the less time you spend with your kid, the more child support that you're going to pay. This is called expenses, guys. When your kid is with you, you do have expenses like taking them out, buying food, providing shelter for the kid for the time that he's with you. The judge takes all this into consideration, guys, when determining your child support payments. So take into consideration, guys, that no, they're not going to take all your money away. And you also have to remind yourself that if you're not getting paid as much, they're not going to take as much. And either way, guys, I know we all have to do our duties as a father. And a lot of you fathers, you stop seeing your kids because you guys don't want to pay child support. Well, I want to let you know, guys, that if you take the time to spend time with your kid, the least amount of money you're going to have to pay, guys. And I want you guys to understand that the child support system, it goes against us fathers, yes, because it's not really our fault, but you know, we all have to pay the price for what some dumbasses fathers do, like walking away from their kid and just not being there. So you have to be smart about the child support system. Yes, you're going to pay child support. No, you're not. They're not going to take away all your money. It's going to be reasonable. When you go to court and you see the judge, they're going to work with you. They're going to put you on a payment plan. They're going to determine how much you're going to pay based on your income, based on how often you see your kid, based on all the things that you need to provide. So guys, do not cheapen out on your kid because you think that you're going to pay all this amount of money. One of the things that you have to understand about when your baby mom comes up to you telling you that you need to give her such and such amount of money, and she's trying to set the price for how much she wants to get. Well, guys, if you go to court, the judge will see this in your favor because everything goes based on your income. Whatever that she demands, sometimes the judge will throw it away. What I mean by that, the judge will reject it, yes, because he will tell her, and he's going to also question her, what is she doing? What is her profession? And he's going to go ahead and tell her that, you know, parenting is 50-50. Guys, I've been through the system, and this is how it works. The judge goes based on logic. It doesn't go based on who did what and what did what, or she did me dirty, he did me dirty. It goes based on what the judge sees, whether you're working, how you're maintaining, how you're living, and what are you doing to provide for your kid. If you are providing for your kid and providing the necessary things that he needs, and you're being there for your kid, there is no reason for the judge not to rule in your favor. The only reason why a judge will not rule in your favor is if you're a deadbeat dad and you're not doing your duty as a father to provide for your kid. That's the only reason why a judge will throw the book at you and tell you, you know what, this is what you need to pay, this is what you need to provide. Guys, the purpose of this channel and the purpose of this video is to build you guys up, is to let you guys know that the child support system could also be used in your favor if you are doing the right thing. I'll tell you my experience, guys. Since my son was born, I've always provided for him for whatever he needed. I gave my baby's mom, child support payments with checks. When it came time to see a mediator or a judge, I had all my documents in front to let them know that I've been providing for my seed since my seed was little, since my little man was a little kid. And I want you guys to do the same. When it comes down, when you have a vindictive baby mama and she's not letting you see your kid, you do have a right in court to ask the judge to give you parental visits, parental rights, and you can even do joint custody. What happens, guys, is that sometimes we just walk away and you don't know how precious your kid will grow up to be, and you miss out on so many years of your kid's life. It's not the kid's fault why things didn't work out, but it is your duty as a parent to step up to the plate and provide for your kid, given any circumstance. Guys, we're seeing a lot of kids grow up without a dad, and I find this very, very sad and very devastating, because a father is such an important figure in a kid's life growing up. And you take it from me, guys, that I was a guy that didn't grow up without a father. But now me being, a father to my son, it's brought joy to me knowing that I could provide for my son. And not only that, but I'm giving him value and I'm showing him the ways to be a man, because a woman cannot teach a kid, everything that a man knows, only a man could. And whether you have a boy, whether you have a girl, they all need that father figure in their life. And this is the important thing why I wanted to bring you guys up to this child support system, is that not to ditch the child support system, but to use it in your favor. Yes, you do have to pay child support and you do got to provide for your seed no matter what, whether you're on child support or not. But I want you to understand that teaches you responsibility. I hope you found this video informative, guys. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I am your boy Phlick, improving your life one video at a time. And until next time, guys, peace.